So here we have all the roots of our brachial plexus. We have C5, which is represented by 4 red pipe cleaners. We have C6, which is represented by 4 blue pipe cleaners. We have C7, which is represented by 3 white pipe cleaners. We have C8, which is represented by 3 green pipe cleaners, and C9, represented by 3 brown pipe cleaners. The next thing we want to do is create our trunks. There are 3 trunks for the brachial division. To create these trunks, the first thing we're going to do is create the upper trunk. So we'll take C5 and C6, and about an inch down from the roots, I'm going to twist them all together. Just give it a few twists, probably about 1 inch or less. All right. So now we have those twisted together. We have C5 and C6. This forms our upper trunk. So what you want to do immediately is take a piece of tape, wrap it around that twist area, put it together, and then we can label this upper trunk. So I'll take my Sharpie and I will label it upper trunk. Sometimes it's also called the superior trunk. All right, so there's our upper trunk. Next, we want to create the middle trunk. The middle trunk is actually made only of the C7 fibers. Okay. So we're going to take the C7 fibers about an inch from where we created the roots, and about on the same level, we're going to twist those together. So twist them around, and this twist simply represents the middle trunk. So again, take a piece of tape and we'll wrap it around where we have that twist, put it together, and that creates a little label, and I will label this middle trunk. Middle trunk. And then finally, we have to create our lower trunk. To create our lower trunk, we're going to take all of the green, which represents C8, and all of the brown pipe cleaners, which represents C9, and we're going to twist them together. So we're going to twist them together. It ends up being about 2 inches from where we started, about an inch down, and we'll twist those together. All right, so that's created our lower trunk. And now I'm going to label this lower trunk. Again, just use the tape and then carefully label it lower trunk. So now we have our roots. Right. We have our roots. We have C5, C6, C7, C8, and C9. Right. And we formed our 3 trunks, our upper, our middle, and our lower trunk.